we're gonna do a very simple and inexpensive but tasty cook today. So we're breaking out the Pit Boss today and we're gonna smoke up some chicken legs. We're going to get these drumsticks going. I'm gonna use this duck fat in a can for the binder. So I'm gonna get both sides of these guys all oiled up, and once that's done, we'll get the seasoning on them. All right, so they're all good to go there. We're seasoning these guys with this Oakridge Secret Edition pork and chicken rub. And we're using it because it's going to give a good flavor, but also good color. So I'm gonna get these guys seasoned up. All right, I'm gonna do this pretty generously because I want them to have good flavor, good color. All right, so these guys are looking pretty good with the seasoning. So we're going to get them over to the Pit Boss and get them going. All right, so we've got the Pit Boss set at 250 degrees, and we're using cherry pellets today. We're gonna get these guys on here. They look really good. All right, one more guy. Ooh, that's kind of heavy. All right, these guys closed up. All right, so it's been about an hour. These guys aren't done, but we are gonna mist them up. I've got this mango juice and water. You can use apple juice, you can use orange juice. This is just the juice I had on hand. So we are gonna mist these guys up, and then we're going to close them back up for about another 20 minutes. So while the chicken's finishing up, I'm gonna make this Blackberry-Jalapeno Glaze. So we're gonna start off by turning this sucker on, and got some chicken stock here. It's about a half a cup. We got some Grand Marnier. It's a half a cup of that. And then we got blackberries. There's a full cup of blackberries in here. We're gonna get these blackberries heated up so we can get all the yummy goodness out of them. We'll get these guys heated up. So it's been about 3 minutes, and the blackberries have liquefied, they're condensed down. We're going to go ahead and strain them now. Alright, so the reason why I'm straining this is because I don't want all the blackberry seeds in the sauce. I just want to have the actual juice itself, right? So I'm going to try to get as much juice as I can out without having the seeds themselves. So I want all the flavor without all the skin, I guess. All right, so we're going to add in 1 jalapeno. And then in this I just put it all in one thing so I didn't have so many jars. So I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of molasses, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. So I'll get all that in there. All right. Blade in there, I forgot to put it in. All right. And
go ahead.
All right, so it's all good. It's all blended up, so we're ready to go. It's been 30 more minutes, and these guys are probing at 168. So we're gonna get them glazed, and then I'm gonna flip them over. I wish you could smell this glaze because it smells so good. This chicken is pretty too. I like the color of it. Alright, so I'm gonna get these guys turned over, and then we'll get this side glazed up as well. 30 more minutes. In the last 15 minutes, I turned the heat up to 300 degrees to get that skin really crispy. We're gonna get these guys off so we can do the taste test. So the total cook time was a little over 2 hours. It's time to give it a taste, and of course Jeff shows up now.
I like chicken legs.
He likes chicken breast better.
True.
All right.
Which one are you getting?
This one,
Okay.
because it's in the middle.
Right, and this is all, we're allowed to do finger food on this, right?
Uh-huh.
People say, like, why are you using a fork and knife?
Oh, yummy.
Oh my gosh. These are almost as good as the chicken legs I make.
Yeah, right. They're so much better. Because I made it.
Okay.
Oh, the skin is crunchy.
I don't know how well that comes up in the video. These are definitely juicy. Get a nice smoke.
Mm-hmm.
You got some kind of, oh, that's a jalapeno. I started to say, I taste some kind of spice, sweetness from the blackberry. What else you put? Molasses, honey? What was it?
Honey, molasses, chili sauce.
These are awesome.
If you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell.